There are so many excellent project management methodologies available for today's project manager. In the past decade, we've seen a natural gravitation for each method into one of two categories, predictive or adaptive. What are predictive and adaptive approaches? How do they impact a project? Which should you choose? Predictive project management refers to when the scope of work and requirements for the project are clear and justify the detailed upfront planning. In predictive approach, the scope is defined and can be considered as fixed while schedule and cost can vary throughout the project. You'll also see predictive project management called traditional, conventional, or waterfall project management. Some of the most popular predictive approaches include Project Management Institute PMIs, a guide to the project management body of knowledge, PMBOK guide. Prince Project Management. Adaptive is when the scope of work and requirements for the project are difficult to define, therefore creating a rapidly changing environment. Requirements are clarified in short iterations, cycles, and therefore require an agile approach. In adaptive approach, the schedule and cost are considered fixed while the scope is adaptive and may vary throughout the project. Adaptive project management can also be referred to as responsive or iterative. It is most often simply called agile project management, agile thinking, or an agile approach. There are several different frameworks used to implement agile, all of which sit under the agile umbrella of adaptive project management. These frameworks include Scrum, Kanban, XP, DSDM, Crystal, FDD. Predictive and adaptive approaches can work extraordinarily well together. You may, as project teams everywhere are doing more and more, choose a hybrid of methodologies to get the best result for your project. For example, Prince 2 works extremely well when combined with Agile. The solid structure of Prince 2 combined with the flexibility of Agile can support a project requiring a blend of predictive and adaptive influences. The PMI's PMBOK guide framework includes a consideration for Agile, giving you room to incorporate elements of adaptive into your predictive project work. So what shall we use? What is the better choice? There is no better approach, only what fits the project you're working on. If you think about it, every project is unique. Even within organizations that carry out similar projects regularly, you'll find differences in scale, scope, and requirements. For this reason, considering the project first and then selecting the right methodology is the best approach. Great job! See you in next videos. Keep moving forward.